Good morning, teacher. Today we are going to talk about modal verbs. My team is made up of Mónica Bautista, Ángel Salazar, Lalia Escalante, Samantha Enriquez, and his servant Juliet Cotero. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that cannot function as a main verb, unlike the auxiliary verbs be, do, and have that can function as a main verb. Modal verbs express modality, ability, possibility, need of other condition. We use them for the future and the conditional. As complementary verbs, modal verbs don't work without another verb. This other verb always comes after the modal verb and is in the base form, the infinitive without to. Modal verbs are not conjugate and they do not have time. I speak to my partner Samantha. Thanks.
My full name is Samantha Maribel Enriquez Valdez. What are the modal verbs? Can expressions, capacity, possibility, and the permission. Normality is translation will be powered. Cold as several used sometimes is the past of can. Mine and the might are also used to say the sometimes is possibility. Will is used to communicate spontaneous decision, to ask for and the of help. The premise of Tarrant and the talk about prediction based of little evidence. So, with I or with both, not with the outer pronounces, you can use it shall as well as will the talk about the future. So we use it so the expression that something so they be done. Ought to can they be used almost exactly like so. This is only modal verbs to so. Would you will use it will the form the second condition must. We use must when the deduction sometimes from the information we have this certain situation. Have to must is more the all accepting anonymity a preposition. Teacher boss have to is used more when talk about generals and the impressional obligation. Next, I have you with my parent Lalia would with talk about the members of.
Characteristics of modal verbs. They will always appear in their simple form. They will be accompanied by an infinitive in an affirmative sense. They do not conjugate no is or an else is added to them in their person singular. They can be used and auxiliary verbs. They note the auxiliary those in the interrogative or negative way. Most of the have a future shape. The verb that follows in the infinitive does not lead no except for hood to. The do not have an object complement. Demi Porter Angel will tell you some examples of modal verbs.
Examples of modal verbs. We can take a taxi to the airport. He could lend us the money which we need. He may lend us the money which we need. He might lend us the money which we need. This will be very easy. Then my partner will tell you other examples.
My name is Monica. Examples with would, must, shall, should, and ought to. I would like to play tennis on Sundays. I would never go to that city. You must order the chicken. We must pay our taxes. She shall do much work. They shall be present in the morning. You should go to the visit your mom. He should eat more. She ought to take the children with her to Houston. You ought to see her tomorrow. This has been all from us. Thanks.